Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei device to Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. Begin by opening App Gallery on both devices and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, tap on the same options on both Huawei devices. Firstly, I accept and confirm. Then continue. And allow. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of this Huawei device and receive right next to Send at the bottom of Huawei tablet. Also on this smartphone, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you prefer to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on Huawei MatePad. Select while using the app in the pop-up, allow only while in use in the pop-up, or only this time, and point your tablet's camera at the code. Then wait. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. If you see this type of pop-up, you need to tap on one of those options about your ads and then select Close this window. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!